So, hi folks, center stage problem on Filmic Pro. I know some of you just don't get it, how this thing is going to work, right? You try to find it in IELTS or you try to find it in the application itself, but you just can't find it. So this is how.
Umurmu bertambah satu, diriku bertambah sayang padamu.
So, first of all, open your Filmic Pro and then make sure that this is only work in iPad Pro, you know, mostly in M1 and probably in iPad Air maybe or something. You just can check it out in your Apple thingy. Anyway, so what you do is like this. You just swipe this top right of your screen right on the Filmic Pro itself, you know, not in the like other app. So you'll see this thing here. You just press this and voila! See, this is the first and only video in the world that explain you how. So you better say thank you to me. So this is Sekarlangit Saptohoedojo from Indonesia, signing out for you guys around the world. Bye-bye.
Kau kasihku, hanya dirimu di hatiku. Tiada yang lain di hati ini selain dirimu satu.